Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share tasks on Microsoft To Do. First, go ahead and log into your Microsoft To Do account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, go ahead and create a new list. Now, go and type in a name for that list. Now that you have it, go ahead and type in the task that you want to share. So just go and add one and add as many as you'd like. Once you have those tasks, to share them, on the upper right corner, click on this share button. Then after that, you will be able to create an invitation link, so click on that. Now you will be able to share it via email, or you can copy it, then give it to other person so that you will be able to share your task. And that's just basically it. That's how you share your task on Microsoft To Do. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.